0.3mm 唔夠厚。0.5mm feeling just nice， 啱啱好掂到。熱咗之後又會膨脹，接觸會更加好，啱啱好。0.5都未得呢個位，呢個位0.5未得呢，係呢度呢一排低低地嘅0.5都唔得，下一沉係1.0或者係0.5加0.3，試下1.0先。Okay, final count of thickness of thermal pads. The big inductors are 0.3 mm thickness here, this L. Okay, and then these are 0.5 as well as these two on top here, 0.5. No, these ones are 1 millimeter. So is this one for here? VRM is 1 millimeter. VRM here is 1 millimeter. This is 1 millimeter, and that one is 2 millimeter. That's 0.5 for all the black inductors. That's 0.5 also. So, finally, the GPU core is 0.5 plus 0.3, 0.8, because 1 mm was too thick. In fact, now maybe it's also a bit too thick. Maybe I should have tried 0.3 plus 0.3, but now I think I'll just do this 0.5 plus 0.3. Okay.